Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with FreshBooks at 2026. So at first guys, you will need to prepare an account. So you will need to make sure that you have an active Shopify account or Shopify store and a FreshBooks account, okay? If not, you can go with buy now and save or try it for free and create your account right there by entering your phone number, the username, the first name and the last name, the email, etc. Okay, and also we will need the Zapier website and account. Okay, so you will need to have an account on Zapier, on Shopify, also on FreshBooks. Okay, that's because FreshBooks Online is required. Integration with desktop-only versions isn't supported, and also the FreshBooks doesn't natively integrate it with Shopify, so you need a connector. Okay, and the connector is Zapier, and that's the best option. So you will need to go back to your store or Shopify store, then just go and click on the settings on the left hand menu, scroll down and click on apps option. And right now, if you don't already have Zapier on the installed apps and the integrated apps to your Shopify, you will need to go with Shopify App Store from here and just look for Zapier. Okay, so that's the app. Just go and click on install right here. Okay, and after integrating Zapier to your Shopify, I do want you to go and log in to your account on Zapier.com, and after that just go and click on app connections and connect both. Click on apps and connect both Shopify and FreshBooks. Okay, so you'll need to click on add connections and look for Shopify. Okay, add connections, then just pass your URL right here and click yes, continue to Shopify to connect it, and go and click on add again, add connections, and look for FreshBooks and connect it too. So actually guys, that way you integrate Shopify with FreshBooks. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.